channel Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial, I am going to explain about what is ReactJS. As we all know that ReactJS is a combination of JavaScript and HTML. It is created by the Facebook and it is open source. It follows the component based architecture. The component as it is used for the building of user interface. User interface is nothing but a component. In the next tutorial, I will explain of what is component and how many types of components in the React.js, what are they and what is the difference between of those in the next tutorial. Now the React.js, how does it works? And the React.js is maintains the virtual DOM and real DOM. The virtual DOM, here what are the changes has been made in our component that will be reflected directly in the virtual DOM. Instead of manipulating all content present in the DOM, that is in the browser, directly not will be reflected in the real DOM. It creates a virtual DOM memory and what are the all necessary manipulations, and before changing in the real DOM it will be reflected in the virtual DOM. After that the changes has been made in the virtual DOM, only those changes will be reflected in the real DOM. As that will be happen of that root dot render. Here we can see that function hello with the props. We will be discuss about the props, what are the props in the next tutorial. As of now can see that hello function is there. I am here if the hello world will be changed to Radhika TechHub channel. So that change has been made in that function. So it is nothing but a component, and this change will be happen in the virtual DOM first of all. In the virtual DOM, the changes has been happened to hello world to the Radhika TechHub channel, and only that change will be reflected in the real DOM, that will be happened through root dot render. If you doesn't call hello in the root dot render, nothing will be happen in the application. So everything will be happening through the root dot render itself. So how the React.js virtual DOM and real DOM works, the flow it's happen like this. If it is useful for you guys, please subscribe me, like me and comment me. Please click on the bell icon. The notifications will come whenever I will upload the new videos to you.